shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Dark Pool Whisper for April 1st, 2020. Sure you guys got your April Fool's jokes going on. Yeah, I got a couple up my sleeve for you today. So, yep, be careful in the Java pit trading. You never know. Yeah, don't follow my trades today. No kidding. Just kidding. Let's start with the SPY. Today we're going to be bullish above 255 and bear below 249. We've already hit two targets already. So watch the 247.50 level. Yeah, if we break below that, look out below. So yeah, if you've noticed, I have a lot of blue lines on my charts. Yeah, these are all the dark pool levels. In fact, I have to put a new one in there from yesterday. 261.85. So there was one here. I'm just going to make this blue. Give me a minute to change that. I think it's this blue. Okay, make it a little bit thicker. Yeah, the thicker the line, the heavier the dark pool. It's a great visual. At least I like that. Let's go to the E-minis. E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 25.40 all the way up here. And notice that we are below the 8 EMA now again. Once again, it's been a while. So this is bearish. We did touch down on the simple 20, this orange trend line. And computers were there buying, always the first time. So we did take a little bounce up, but the second time we go and test that, less buyers. So look out below if we don't hold that on the second test. Bear below 24.80. The Russell had a very heavy dark pool print yesterday. In fact, I'm going to put it on here. 115.13. Okay, yeah, 6 million. Yep. As long as we stay below that, that is going to be uber bearish for the Russell. I'm just going to put some other lines here. 110 was another level. 105.54 was a level. I'm just going to put that in there. 103. Oh, this is a big one. 101.08. 101.08 right here. All right. Yeah, so these are pretty big. We'll keep an eye on those. If we don't hold those, if we do start to come down and we go below this, especially this 101.08, that was the biggest one, 7.7 million. That's going to be uber bearish. So watch those levels carefully. Let's go to the QQQ. But today we're going to be bullish above 110, bear below 108 for the shorter term trade. QQQ, we're going to be bullish above 188 and bear below 185. And we just dipped below that actually. I did the DIA today. Yep, we're going to be bullish above 215.50 and bear below 211.80, and we did dip below. And, you know, just notice, it's the first day, you guys, that we are below the 4 and the 8 on the DIA, right? I think on all of them. The QQQ, the SPY, the Russell, every index is below that. We may go up and retest, and it'll be resistance. Okay, or we might not. We might just drop like a rock here. So either way, it is bearish. Yeah, it's been a while since all indexes are below that. So please be careful. Okay, NASDAQ, yeah, dreaded H. Looks like it could be a dreaded H pattern. So NASDAQ futures bullish above 76.50, bear below 75.25. For the NASDAQ futures. We got, let's go with the oil. Oil is keeping us in suspense. This 20 level is, everybody's watching it. Yep. We've bounced off of it so many times. Yeah, let me just draw a line there so you can kind of see. 1, 2, 3, yeah. So there's always going to be buyers. But the question is, how many people really want to buy there? And we've been playing, you know, pivot pong too. Like, so we're going up to the pivot, right? Sellers are here, okay? These are all sellers. And the buyers are all here at 20. So we really need to either break above here or break below there for the bigger move. Yep, so bearish below 1993 and bull above 2080. That's why I picked those levels. All right, let's go to gold. Gold, yeah. So we got level 16, 15. Yep, I'm going to be bullish above this pivot. If we go above that, bearish below 1595. Yeah, we've been testing this support area. So that's a really key level to watch for the gold futures. Let's go to the individual stocks. And put these guys away. All right. Let's go to Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft had a massive upthrust. Yeah, this is a bearish candle. We went right up to the 50 simple moving average. Sellers came in and knocked it down on much higher volume. Yeah, today would be the test of it on lower volume. We did come down and hit the 8 EMA and bounce. Buyers were there. So if we break below the 8 EMA, below 152, that is going to be bearish. You can see we came down to 152.01 and bounced. So watch that level. Bullish above 155 for Microsoft. Apple, bullish above 250. And then again, that's above the 8 EMA. And bearish below 245.50. Let's go to American Airlines. There we go. Yeah, not looking very good. The 4 actually closed below the 8. Yeah, downward trend once again. Bear below 1150. And bullish above 12 for a slight retracement to the 4 EMA. All right, just a small retracement trade. Tesla. Yeah, popular one in my room. Bullish above 512.50. So we finally, let's see, we are below the 4 and the 8. Question is, are we going to stay here and close? You can see that these 3 days, it went below it, right? But guess what? It closed above it. This day went above it and closed pretty much right on the 8. This day went below it but closed above it. So if it does close below it today weak, that's going to be the sign that it's ready to come down. All right, so keep your eye on that. It's all about the close. So Tesla, bullish above 512.50, bear below 498. Yeah, we'll see after this test of the 8 EMA right here if it's going to turn around and go down below that or not. Carnival, CCL, bull above 1325. And that's a trade from the 4 to the 8 EMA here. Slight little trade. Or if it turns down, bear below 12. Let's go to Boeing. Yeah, Boeing below the 8 EMA as well. Yeah, not looking that great. We're going to be bear below 137.50. Yeah, I really like that level. And bull above 145.50. GDX, bearish below 23.20. And bull only above 24.60. So we have 2 big sets of prints, and they're playing print pong. I love this game. Actually, not waiting for it to break either below 22.25. That's a big print we had a little while back, and then we had this more recent sell print at 24.55. So they were buying here at 22.25 and selling at 24.55. So they brought it down and just tested it a little while ago, a couple minutes ago, and bounced. So if we can't hold this 23 area, especially on a close, look out below for GDX, for the miners. Let's go to, yeah, there's a buyer on CCL, Ned, at 1220 for here, let me just, Ned has a question in the Java pit. Let's see if he's still there. Yeah, see he's loaded to buy there, Ned. This is, yep, the ARCA book. They're loaded. It's not executed. He would love to buy it if it comes down to 1220. That's what that means. He's the biggest bidder. So that's why I'm bearish below it. Below 12. Yep. If he's going to buy it, he'll hold it up. But if he doesn't hold it up, that's when we go short, okay? All right, let's go to the next one. Caterpillar had a massive, unusual print yesterday. Doesn't have 100,000 shares yet in volume. I really focus on stocks that have the most volume in the morning, but I had to put this on the Whisper today. I want you to watch this. Yeah, this is going to have a big move. You know, again, it splashes at first. So watch that print level. 114 is the key. Don't ever go to sleep on the wrong side of that print. If we're above it, you can go long. If we're below it, you can go short. But splash levels today, bullish above 115. I'm going to kind of use that. If they're buying, we should go above 115 and stay there. And I have a high-end target of this 50 simple moving average. However, if they're selling, look out below, okay? Bearish below 111 today. We are below the print right now, so it is bearish, but doesn't have that much volume. So I'm going to wait and see how this one turns out. There you have it, you guys. Those are your whispers for April 1st. Please stay home. We are in peak season of this virus over the next couple weeks. Yeah, stay home and trade with me, all right? Take care, everybody.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.